Good afternoon, everybody. Um, I was setting up some labels here in my Gmail, and some of the explanations online of how to do it aren't that good. I created one here for all the emails I get from a certain professor of mine. So here, my label is just Dr. B. That's his name. So that label. So when I click on that, all the emails that are from him show up here. Um, so the first thing you're going to want to do is obviously log on to your Gmail. Once you've been logged in, you're going to want to go to settings with the little gear up in the top right. See all settings. And then now you're going to want to go to the labels tab and scroll all the way to the bottom. Create new label. So for this example, I'm going to do for unread messages. So I'm going to name it, you can't name it unread because Gmail won't let you do that, but I'll name it anxiety because nobody likes seeing this. Emails piling up, creating that red number. All right, or at least I don't. So I'm going to create that. So now that the label has been created, you have to go to filters and blocked addresses. So here's the filter I have for my other label, my Dr. B label. So you're going to want to create a filter. So for example, for the one I created where I wanted all the messages that came from somebody, I used where it says from here, and I typed in his name, clicked on it, and created the filter that way. But now for this one, I want to do unread messages, and what you type in at the search bar for unread messages is unread. So now the important thing is here that I didn't type it in here, or here. I typed it in where it says has the words. So what that does is just does a search of what you type here. And for unread messages, what you have to type in for the search is unread. Alright, so now the next important thing, you create your filter. That's just saying that because it's for unread messages. Alright, so now you want to apply it to a label for the label we created, which was anxiety in this case. Now, these next two things are important as well. So you want to always click this. Also apply to filter to 30 matching conversations. So that does it to the the emails you already have. All right, and then the last thing is like, say for the other one I created for my professor, I clicked on always mark it as important. I'm not going to do that for unread, but I did that for my professor. And then you're just going to click on create filter. Now you click on the filter. You created it. Let's see if it worked. Yep. You clicked on anxiety. Bang. There's all your unread messages. Here you can change the label color. Change it to blue. So I have my unread messages and then my messages from my professor.